Hello everyone!
We are pre-intermediate English class level 3 students from Keep Education Center. We are Group 4 and we'll be having a discussion about competition. Firstly, we would like to introduce ourselves.
This is Lida.
This is Justin.
This is Hafsaba.
This is Jamie.
And this is Dana. We're so excited to share with you guys, so please listen to our discussion till the end. So, should we start?
Yeah.
Let's start!
What is competition?
So, as my research, competition was firstly introduced by Alfred Sloan at the General Motors in 1920.
Yeah, competition is a situation between two or more parties of different groups and different people striving for a common goal. Where one is gained, the other will lose. There is no equal coming out in competition.
Yeah. So, do you guys like competition?
Yes, I like competition because it is fun. Competition can be healthy and beneficial as it can motivate individuals to work harder, learn new skills and achieve their goals.
Yeah, sometimes we get motivated from competition to put more effort to move forward, and as long as people don't upset with winning.
Yes.
But for me, I don't like competition, as if we take our loss too seriously, we can lose our confidence and our hopes and dreams of winning. We'll be in depression and trauma, and we might give up in life too. And it also concludes stress and pressure, a lack of collaboration, unfairness, dishonesty, and a fear of failure. So that's why I don't like competition.
What's the biggest competition you've competed?
For me, the biggest competition is when I was grade 5, I competed in a marathon competition. There was a lot of competitors, around 500 people. I can't run very fast, but I did my best. And I don't get the first prize, but I got a free t-shirt and 1,000 member chat. That competition was so fun and I really enjoyed it. And I'm so proud for myself that I can compete in that competition. I think that was the biggest competition in my life.
I also competed in a drawing competition when I was very young. It was kind of easy. At first I was very nervous, but I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun drawing, and I ended up getting first place. They gave me money as a reward, so I think that is the biggest competition in my life.
What are the pros and cons?
So one of the most significant cons of competition is stress and pressure. Competition makes people constantly compare themselves and look to others for approval. The contents, comparison, and search for validation is unhealthy and can lead to a negative self-image. So I think competition may not be the best motivator. So
Yeah. By competing with each other, we put more effort than usual. We learn and realize our weaknesses. It makes us step out from the comfort zone. Competition is an experience where not only we build the confidence, but also it makes unforgettable, precious memories.
Wow. So competition gives us a lot of benefits, and winning and losing isn't that important as long as we do our best and we try our best. And also winning and losing teaches about life. Thank you. And that was our discussion about competitions. We hope you guys enjoy our video.
Bye!